chat. Welcome to another stream. A little bit early today, but I was ready, so I figured we will start the stream. So sorry for everyone who was late, but we're starting early today. Anyway, today is Saturday, something of something, the 24th of April in 2021, and we're back for another stream. The plan for today is to do a few little open source things. Hopefully they'll be short, and then we'll be working on some stuff for pre-commit.ci, fixing the bug with purchases. It works if you don't delete your account and then recreate it. So we gotta fix the delete and recreate your account bug. We might also look into error messages, error pages if we have enough time. Although I suspect we will not have enough time because later we will have a special guest on the stream. 2 special guests, I guess, include Tofu. So, well, I guess we can look forward to that. But anyway, let's jump into it. Let me say hi to everyone who is here. Belladonthus was first, as you usually are. Jazz Lucy, good to see you. RKJ says last. Good to see you as well. D-Delsp says bath day for Pseudo. Nice, nice. Miss Jewelry, hello, hello. And I will replay your sub there, Marsma. Thank you for resubscribing at 5 months. Appreciate your continued support. It's good to see you. Mr. Spacey, hello, hello. Very EU friendly. Yeah, those extra 6 minutes are super EU friendly. Acid UK says, just prevent all errors. No need for error pages. Yeah, well, one of the error pages is the 404 page, which currently looks like this. I would like it to look better. But yeah, that's mostly what I want to, why I want to improve those. There's also a few like targeted error pages where it would be useful to provide more information. For instance, let's see, results / latest / I don't remember how these look. I think this is the right URL. No, that is not the right URL. Oh, it's latest / GitHub / this. Yeah, so right now this redirects to the latest run, but I would like it to produce a better page if the run doesn't exist or something like that. This must have been an auto update run. RKJ says currently drooling over home lab possibilities. Oh no. I feel like home lab is such a like rabbit hole that I've mostly stayed afloat in, but oh my god, there's so much stuff that I could do for home lab that I don't even want to think about all the things I want. Because I want to set up some like network storage. I want to get like a M1 host so that I can debug that stuff. I already have a old Intel Mac to debug that. I have a few Linux hosts, but I don't have them like on all the time. But yeah, I kind of want to set up some nice stuff there. Bye bye all my seller. Yeah. Ed says, what are your thoughts on learning Go as a beginner? I mean, you could if Go could be your first programming language. I don't know that it's a very beginner friendly language. Well, it is and it isn't. It's beginner friendly in that it like forces you to do menial tasks over and over in very, very simple code that's hard to screw up. Like that part of Go is fine, but it also has such a limited feature set that you're not really going to learn useful things if you ever want to use a different programming language. That said, Go's probably fine for learning, but I think like I think that it potentially limits you to what you can branch off of. It'd be like learning C as a first language. Like I wouldn't suggest that either. There's some serious gear acquisition syndrome for home labbers. Yeah. Network storage is amazing. Having 120 terabytes of network storage to configure as necessary is amazing. Yeah, I'm also considering because Glacier is actually reasonably cheap, and most of the things that I would want to store for long term are like are things that I access very infrequently or never. And it's like 0.4 cents per gigabyte per month. That's Ohio. Ohio's the expensive one, isn't it? Isn't it cheaper in Virginia? No? Cheaper in NorCal? No, more expensive in NorCal. Oregon. I thought I guess US East won. Anyway. It's like $4 per terabyte per month, which is not very much. Terabyte? Yeah. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure there's bulk storage that's better. Yeah, you can do provision capacity unit too. But anyway, I was thinking that like, it might be worth it to use that as backup system, but I don't know. Who knows? Glacier's still pretty pricey for terabytes. The Glacier real hit is on the transfer. Oh. I mean, it would be upload once and then done. I don't know. I haven't really put any effort into researching this or writing code for it. I was just thinking about it. But like, you're right. Buying some long lifespan SSDs and throwing them on a box is maybe easier. I guess the threat model that I'm trying to guard for is if my house burns down, I want to still have my data. And I'm probably not going to like run and grab a network storage device as my house is burning down. Whereas if it's in like Glacier, I don't have to care about it. I don't know. Maybe I'm defending against things that are unrealistic. I wonder how long does it take you to dig into a new medium-sized project? It depends what the project is and how well it's written, I guess, Marsma. To be honest, I feel like most projects, if they're structured well, I can start contributing to them day one. If they're, ass backwards, lack of tests, and hard to deploy, and hard to debug, and hard to develop in, it might take much much longer. I would say like most open source projects are pretty easy to just jump in and fix something. At least for me. The server says you can order this AWS server truck to your home to pick up your data. Yeah, right? I don't have the house destruction backup yet. Yeah. I'm not sure that that's a problem. Oh, that was a weird. I guess that link makes sense. Link you to the commit. Cool. All right, so let's do the open source stuff first, I guess, and then we can jump into the the pre-commit.ci stuff. Oh my god damn it. Remember that thing yesterday where I was like, oh, must be getting close to alpha freeze because it keeps failing. Guess what? It failed again, Chad. On a completely different spot, probably. Let's see. Another merge conflict in this goddamn file. Oh, man. Maintaining this is not the most fun. It's usually fine. Usually there's like no big deal, but right before release, it breaks a lot. Our Redemption says, "How have things been to start? It's been fine. It's work. It's not great, but pays the bills. But how are you doing? Yeah, you are on time today. You are on time today, Koenig. Good to see you. Long time no see. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, it's going reasonably well. Going reasonably well. Koenig, thank you for the resub. Whoa. 1 year, buddy. 1 year. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Work is work. I get that. Not bad. Got a puppy recently. Oh, yeah, that'll take up a lot of time. Hey, what's up, Grandpa Pet? Hello. Good to see you as well. There's the love peak L from Koenig. There we go. There we go. With your fancy new 1 year badge. Alright, so what do we gotta do here? Run books. Nightly update branch. And that takes repo and Ubuntu Focal. I just did this last night. What? Oh, I seeded to the wrong thing. Whoops. Let's just delete that in case I totally fucked things up there. Redemption, thank you for the resub at 10 months. Thank you for your continued support. And of course, it's good to see you again as well. Man, I screwed this up. 3.10 nightly. There we go. Dot Ubuntu Fogel. Yeah, I'm working on deadsnakes. It broke again. See? It broke again. Patch failed at 23 Mangle F-Stack Protector. Oh no. Oh, it's just in imports? I think. Sort these, so it's not a problem. Is FN match used? Yes. Is warnings used? Yes. Uh-oh. What are you? Oh no. Wait, what? This is all deleted. Oh no. Oh no. Tinerus, thank you for the raid with a party of 6. How you doing? I give you a shout out so that my viewers can check out your channel. What were you working on today? Hey, what's up, Murphy? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Them snakes be dead. Yeah, it's true, it's true. That is a cute emote. I like that. James iPad says, I've been doing some data engineering and running Python all day for the past few weeks. Your stream / video / Discord have been so helpful. Thank you for all you do to support learning. Yeah, glad to help. Alexa Pecan, good to see you. Hello, hello. Oh wait, except it's Alex. Alex, right. Alex. Good to see you again. The Insurer says, do I need an init.py in my resources folder I use in options.package data every time it's a struggle to get it working? If you are using importlib.resources, you do need an init.py, unfortunately. Running a RuneScape server emulator in TypeScript. What? That's crazy. Alright, so I gotta figure out what changed in this module. It looks like it got reformatted, and that's why the conflict is so bad. So I might have to reapply the patch manually, which would suck. All right, let's see what happened in lib distutils. What file is this? Sysconfig. Sysconfig. Consistent message and filter warning. Are you fucking kidding me? This is the goddamn conflict? Why is this conflicting the whole file? Lab Codes, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. This can't be the conflict. There's no way. There's no way that's the conflict. Yeah, it's this one. Deprecate distutil sysconfig. Gotta be this one. Sysconfig.py. What the fuck? This seems completely unrelated to their patch. Oh, this isn't even the right file. This is the file. Holy fucking shit. Okay, so the upstream patch deleted all of this code. Presumably moving it into sysconfig? Customize compiler. Oh my god. That function is still there. What happened here? I'm very confused. Can I use the M flag here? No. All right, well, we're gonna check out CPython and look at this commit and see what happened here. Oh, we'll also look at the patch in deadsnakes. Let's see what patch that needs to happen there. Oh, this is gonna be such a pain when I have to merge for beta 1. I've had like 10 breaking changes in the last 2 weeks. I'm gonna have to do them all at once again and try and remember what I've done here. Open source 100%. Nice, nice. Yeah, I'm working on a little bit of open source right now as well, mostly to make my inbox not a pain in the butt later. This is the fstack protector patch. Fstack. Yeah, this one. So what does this actually do? It's literally just for old GCC. Actually, don't think I need this anymore. When using GCC versions older than 4.9, automatically mangle fstack protector strong to fstack protector. Okay, what is the GCC version on 2004? Because I think I can just drop this patch. Yeah, I think I can just drop this patch. Docker. Ubuntu Bionic. But says I'm currently working on a Docker file where I use deadsnakes. Maybe I'll post it later and have some feedback. It's my very first one. All right, sounds good. I know more than I should about Docker files, so I can definitely help you there. Update. Field service says, fucking hell, this only is an issue in installing it in a non-editable way. Oh no, that's not good. Silly buttons! Thank you for the resub with Prime. 3 months in a row and 3 total. That gets you a fancy new badge too. Alright, what version of GCC are you? Please be newer than 4.9. 7.3. Way newer than 4.9. Okay, so I can get rid of this patch. Because I no longer need this for well, I hope I don't need this. What is, let me look at this FN match. Yeah, we can drop this patch. We can drop this patch. Check out origin master to lib dist-utils sysconfig. God, I hope I don't regret this. What do you mean does not match any files? Oh, we want upstream. Yeah, check out upstream lib dist-utils sysconfig. What do you mean? Origin / upstream. That's not right either. Silly buttons! Thank you for the gift to Gliscamaria. Here's a silly button for you, silly buttons. Gross Prime sub though. Gliscamaria says, I've been held hostage and they're making me watch this. Wait, what? This is your hostage material? I'm so sorry. Oh, I think this is what I want. It told me. Well, hopefully you enjoyed the stream. You now have some fun emotes that you can play around with now that you're subbed. I think I just get rebase continue. Man, I hope I don't regret this. Well, I can always go back and fix this. Get rebase skip. Yeah, there we go. Export. Refresh patches. Alright, we're gonna hope that's good. We're gonna hope we no longer need mangle fstack protector. I don't think we do, given the comment. But Yeah, let's do bionic as well. Should fail the same way. Get rebase skip. Sick. Export. Tyrus, thank you for the sub, and thank you as well for the raid again. Apologies for any craziness in chat. No, it's all good. That's what chat's about, being crazy. And thank you for the resub. Thank you for the sub, Tyrus. And the raid. What was I doing? Commit. Push. And just because I am feeling like I haven't this has failed too many days in a row, we're gonna trigger it just to see if any of those are problematic. How do I trigger? How do I manually trigger a run? Is that not a thing? Do I click on one of these and do rerun? There we go. Rerun all yobs. So we're gonna let this guy go and see what happens here. Hopefully it's good, because it's been a while since it succeeded. We're allowed to be crazy? I mean, yeah. The answer says, I just had the best rice curry with peach. Rice curry with peach? That sounds good. Eagle, hello, hello, welcome back. Bitchit says, I fixed my seg fault 4 weeks later. How's it going, Bitchit? Welcome back. Good to see you. How many, wait. Get rid of this, and this, and this, and this. Oh no. They wrote a test for it. Why is the pipeline failing? Oh, because they're all the tests are failing. They wrote a test for it. Oh, they don't know about the cool thing that you can do with this. So there's a cool thing that you can do with this, where you can use a callback in regex.replace and regex.sub. So this here can be a callback, and then you don't need to match twice, which is kind of neat. But anyway, looks like this is a work in progress, so I can ignore this for now. Sleepman says, did you tell Juice that bit shifting is a built-in in JavaScript? I fell asleep during her stream, so I... the only thing I know about the bit shifting is the clip where Juice is screaming about bit shifting. Twitch... Juice Box Hero clips. She attempted to manually implement bit shifting. Oh my. Shift your bits right out of here. Oh no, into 16-bit. I mean, it's actually hard to implement bit shifting without bit shifting. Because like the way that I would implement it, like given the start of the structure of our code here, which is an array of bits, I would probably try and nibble out or like and out each bit. But in order to and out each bit, I would probably bit shift the bit to and out the bit. So I would be bit shifting to do bit shifting. I guess if we know, if her integers had bounds, it would maybe be easier. Like if they were bounded just like 16-bit integers or 8-bit integers, like it's easy to just pick out individual bits. Oh wow, I haven't seen Julie stream in a long time. Interesting. But yeah, implementing bit shift by hand doesn't sound fun. Okay, the last one that we want to look at today is a bug in CPython that is affecting pytest. And then we can jump into the pre-commit.ci stuff. So I bisected this. I tried to bisect this on stream yesterday. My code for bisecting was super fucked up. I ended up fixing it off stream. So before we had the reason this is on 2 lines. The reason this is on 2 lines is if I do this, my text editor hangs. So there's a bug in the shell grammar where there's 2. If you have 2 parentheses, it just loops forever. Oh, I should have made sure I don't have any other editors open before I did that. Yeah, I can just do pkill babby. But that's why it's on 2 lines here. Because I could have just done this with a pipe instead of saving to a variable, but I needed to. Oh, actually, once I figured out that goes there, maybe I don't need this. Maybe I can just do this to this. And I can get rid of this. Yeah, I think that works. Hey, what's up? Dr. Stins, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But anyway, I bisected this and found the bad commit, which breaks the code. Now I need to figure out what it actually breaks, because I'm still not 100% sure what it breaks. But looking at the patch, it seems pretty obvious why it breaks it. In that it changes the line number for some of these things to be negative somehow. Where's the minus in here? Yeah. This minus gets compounded somehow, from what I remember. Also, you know, you want to see something else that's super great about about this fucking patch? You ready for this, chat? Open it. Let's open up the pull request, see what happened here. Developer opened this. Skip news, so no news entry. No approval. And they just YOLO merged it. So yeah. Pretty you love to see it. you fucking love to see it. Anyway, so we found the commit. And so what I want to do is make a minimal case that reproduces this and then figure out what changed. I have not done that yet. Do approvals matter anyway? So the developer guide kind of says that you should get an approval from somebody else so that you're not just shipping unvetted code. I think that's kind of the best practice in any project. But CPython claims they don't have enough core devs to review core code, so things get YOLO'd into CPython pretty often. But skip brain, I don't know if this works, so just merge it anyway. I mean, the test passed, so there was no test for this particular case. But I think what I want to try and do is isolate pytest from this. I don't know how to do that though, so we're just gonna try the try and get the traceback out, because I know it's the traceback that it's trying to format improperly. Sys.exception info break a point pass, and in theory we have this traceback thingy here, which has frames? I don't remember how this works. tb.tb line number? tb.tb frame? F line now? So somewhere in here, either this line number is wrong or this line number is wrong. And what is TB next? I guess we can just try and dump all those and see what we get out of that. While TB print TB.TB line no. We can put a little equal there, and TB dot dbFrame.f line no. So in theory, one of those is busted. Oh god, I forgot the loop part. db equals tb.tb next. Those all look fine. I kind of expected a double stack trace here. I wonder if it's related to pytest's assertion rewriting. Or if it has to be in a function. Alright, but now we don't call it. Brynjolf, Twitch, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Oh, that didn't make a difference. I find it weird that these numbers are different? Yeah, why is this number different than this number? All these other ones are equal. Oh, maybe that's the problem? Let's see, Python 3.9 t.py. No, they're different in 3.9 also. Very weird. Why is this different? What is this supposed to be? Which line is this? Line 7? Must be this one here. And this is the 108 one. This is the 107 one. 81. These must all just be one-line functions, maybe? I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. Silly Buttons on Discord will not stop talking about how awesome NumPy is. It's some sick fetish. It sounds like Silly Buttons. Well, you don't really use NumPy on the stream, so it's a little bit different. Alright, so let's run this in pytest and see what we get differently. That looks fine. Wait, now we don't get the bug. Is it specifically with contexts? Yeah, those all look fine. This is also not the same crash. Wait, how do I... What was the actual bug? This is what we had before. Okay, so that fails. So... is this going to fail? Oh god. No? What? Oh, it has to be a mismatch? Is that what it is? The right type but the wrong thing? Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's add this back and see if we can see. Oh, it must be the exception coming. Let's see. Must be the exception coming from pytest itself. Hello? That's weird. Okay, so that's reproducing. And these all have the right thing here. Let's try and catch this exception. Oh, I still want this. Let's try and catch this exception and see what's up with that. Line number -1. Yeah, I guess that would do it. How do multiple tracebacks get formatted? Multi-level traceback exception. How does this work? Right, I gotta look at your name in chat. The Ide of Alan. Thank you for the raid. Welcome back. Good to see you again. How was your stream today? Oh, that's the wrong person. There we go. My viewers can check out your channel by clicking through that link. I think I have to look at the traceback module. Do I have to look at cause? Is that what it is? Print traceback, extract traceback, format traceback, stack summary.extract. Print exception. Parse value, TB. Okay. This is not helping me find what I want. Okay, but anyway, I think this is enough to. I think this is the problem. Maybe. Let us try this in Python 3.9 now. And see if that reproduces as well. VM bin pip freeze. So this is what we want to do. VM 3.9 bin pip install this. Oh yeah, I guess I should introduce myself. My name is Anthony. I primarily work on Python open source stuff. Today we are working on, well, we did one thing with deadsnakes, which is currently building. It might be done now. It's done now. It's green again. Oh, praise be. Oh man, it's been red for so many days in a row. And I'm currently working on reproducing a bug in Python 3.10. And trying to figure out what's wrong with it. Okay, that raised out properly, and these are non-negative. Okay, cool. We have our bug. we have a reproduction. But how to simplify it down is the hard part, I guess. Buildathis has redeemed review some code. Oh, well. If you send me what code you want me to review, I can look at it on the. Oh, here it is. Okay, I guess we can just look at it in line then. A big old Docker file. All right. Let's get through this. Oh no, we're off to a bad start. So usually you don't need both of these. I guess we can just do edit. Usually you don't need both of these. Usually you can just get away with lang, But you can also combine them, like so, and that will save one layer in your Docker file, which, you know, saves you some stuff. I usually like to do my application stuff later. I usually like to put the installation absolutely first. And you should combine all dependency installations into one. So these should all end up in here as well. And sort those. Oh, they happen to be, oh, they're not sorted. They're very not sorted. So you want all of those in one setup. Oh boy. You are missing a SHA-256 256 dash check dash whatever your SHA-256 is, and where is this directory? Oh, so because you use workdir here, you actually don't need this makedir, because workdir will make that directory for you. But I guess this will be leptonica 1.74.4.tar.gz. So basically, you'll want to make sure that you're checksumming any binary that you download from the internet. Of course, you'll need to actually figure out what the checksum is and validate that. You don't need R or F here because this is just a file. I prefer the BSD options, and I prefer the GNU options rather than the BSD options. And you will want to, well, again, we can do the same thing here and here. You will want to also do a SHA-256 check here as well. To do SHA-256 256 check. Okay, that seems fine. Oh. So, this actually makes your image bigger. I did a video about this. So you actually want to combine these two together, even though it's gonna look a little bit annoying. And you'll want to do the same for this as well. But it looks like you need to like CD into these, unfortunately. So, well, actually, you can just do that inline, probably. So this will be CD this guy. And this will be sh autogen.sh. That's weird. You should be able to just do this. And you might get away with like push D and pop D and like putting some extra new lines in here to separate it out. Build tesseract, and I don't know, comments here for build leptonica. But yeah, you want to combine these all together, otherwise you end up with things that don't actually make your image smaller, they make it bigger. You'll also want to take these back up to your first list up here. This one needs to be kind of separate because of this, but I would still suggest combining this in with your install up here, like so. And you don't need to do a re-update, and you can put software properties common in this list. And then because you're only because you're on Xenial. Oh god. This is only needed on Xenial. You already installed curl, didn't you? No? Yeah, you already installed curl, so you don't need curl again. I would not recommend doing this. Because this implies that you are doing a system install of pip things. My recommendation is to use a virtual environment instead. But you could do it this way. Silly Button says build it. What are we building? Wait, we have this again. We don't need this again. Oh wait, no, that was the first one. That was the first one. Yeah. King Ragnarbrug, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. This command isn't done unless. Oh wait, no, I deleted it. Vector home/app. Oh, you only use this build directory temporarily, and then you delete it all later. Yeah, so you probably don't need this then either. You can probably do make dir/builds cd/builds, and at the end, instead of doing these armorfs and any of these intermediate RMs, we can just do cd/ and cleanup and armref build. So something like that. It gets us further. And to do sort these. You can do that in either Vim or Babby. Yeah. To do, I would probably make a virtual env. You can use env path equals vm/bin path to activate it. But anyway, there's your review. Hopefully that is satisfactory. I rewrote a lot of your file, but that'll hopefully get you started in the right direction. But yeah, mostly seems fine. Probably have a little bit more dependencies than you need here, but I mean, it depends if this is a development image or a production image. If it's a development image, this is probably fine. If it's a production image, you would probably do this in 2 layers, where you do the building in one and then you copy it out to a final image. But oh, seems fine. Xenial though. Oh, now I'm so far behind on chat. Gliscamarian says, I heard Anthony used to be a coal miner, then he learned to code, and now he wishes he paid his coal mining union dues. I'm a coal miner? What? Reaper done, bug basically squashed. Yeah, we need to now minimize this reproduction down so that it is not, just... So it doesn't have pytest in it. Which I think... Actually, what happens if we don't run this in pytest? Python t.py. VM bin python. Please reproduce. Please. Oh, thank God. Okay. That makes it a lot easier. That makes it a ton easier. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. Even we even see the fucked up traceback. Oh, this is gonna be so easy to reproduce or to report. So it is a re-raise in a exit block, I think. So yield and then raise assertion error. Boom. Glissamere, thank you for the 1,500 bits. Appreciate that. I like the pixels. Well, I like your bits. Thank you for the bits. Appreciate that. All right. So in theory, this boom should make it go boom. With boom, that should eliminate pytest. Oh, we of course need context lib. Do we has the boom? We don't have the boom. No. Why not? What's special about... We also didn't get a double stack trace here. Maybe because it's this type? Do we need a class-based one? Class, boom. Def, enter. Boom. Turn self, def, exit. Raise, assertion, error, boom. Does that work now? Do we get it with a capital boom? Yes. Okay, that's enough to cause it. Cool. We don't need type annotations. Tick. We can minimize this down. I spelled assertion error wrong. Too many S's. Cool. This is at leptonic and tensor. I don't even know what that is. What am I looking at? Ampersand, ampersand. Yeah, exactly. It's Docker stuff. Build it? No, that's gonna take too long. King Ragnar says, hey, I hope someone here can help me with this, but I started using WSL2 for full stack development, primarily MERN. If I host a server on my WSL2 machine, I can't see it from my Windows machine. I don't want to open ports, so what are the options here? I think there's a loopback address for WSL2. I'm not super familiar with WSL2, so I don't exactly know. But maybe someone in chat knows better than I do. Bang explains pre-commit. Yeah, I don't have a pre-commit video yet, unfortunately. Okay, Juice is on her way here. So we will see her soon. Cool. Just for compiling the things, because they don't exist on Xenial and the unofficial PPAs are kind of flaky. I see. But yeah, no problem. Line -1, yeah. This is the fucked up thing. How did the Python dev break that? Yeah, exactly. I don't know. I guess he's liked the stream. Indeed. Well, I appreciate your support, Gliscomeria. Hey, what's up, Shazrobot? Hello. Von Dutchy, how's it going? Hello. Krogans, good to see you. Nick Dev. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, it's kind of Ubuntu, but it's also kind of not. Are we gonna see tofu? Yes, we should see tofu. / WSL $. Oh, is that the special path to get into the container? Fake Ubuntu. It's real. Bang explains bit shifting for juice. Okay, so we have a very, very small reproduction now. Can we make it smaller? We don't need sys. Yeah, so Python 3.9 t.py works fine. Python 3.10 t.py does not work fine. Cool. That was easy. Bugs.python.org. Gotta log in. My username has a space in it, which concerns me. I don't like that about this login. And that checkbox does nothing. Create new regression in Python 3.10 with traceback frame having line no of -1. This fix 310 and technically 311. This is breaking pytest for failed assertions. And we got to link to this. It also breaks the traceback in the output. Here's a minimal example. I know there's no syntax highlighting, but we might as well do that. On Python 3.9, you get this. 3.9. Actually, I think I can just change it to any raise here. Yeah. So we can even get rid of AST and context lib. That makes this even shorter. Cool. Ceci, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Let us recopy this. To here. 3.9. This. Guskamira, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Even though you have been here for much of the stream, it's good to have you. 3.10. Let's put in Python 3.10. Notice the second to last frame is now missing and invalid. Line -1. I bisected this and found this is the culprit, which was YOLO merged. Let's copy this. And I'll copy the bug number as well. Oskadan, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Bunch of peers. 2. J Phils! Jason, thank you for the resub. That's 9 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. Wait, 8 months. It says 9 months. Wait, 8 months? Is it 8 or 9? It's 9. I'm pretty sure it's 9. You're kind of cool. I like it here, lol. Thank you for the continued support. And Silly Button says YOLO. Are you gonna put YOLO merge? Is the bug 310 specific? Yes, it is. Is Tofu still bitey? Yes, she still is. She's been a little bit better. Krogan says, I've seen that you're streaming early, so I'm glad that I can be here and not sacrifice sleep. Yeah, and on the weekends I usually stream a little bit earlier to give people in the EU better times. And eventually I'll stream during the week at the earlier time as well. But gotta figure out the whole job situation for that. Oh. WSL has a bug at the moment where if you open up too many IDE instances using WSL container, the ports shit out. What? That sucks. Yes, it is 310 specific, Eagle. Indeed, indeed. Just use a Mac or a straight Linux machine. Yeah, or a VM. Lancet says, physicists saying negative energy exists, so why not? Is the context lib import unused? Yes, it is, and I did delete it. Is that an Umbreon I see in the background? Yes, it is. It is a shiny Umbreon named Carpet, which is why the emote on the channel is also Carpet. But yes, it's a little shiny Umbreon plushie. Are you gonna put YOLO merge? I don't know that I'm gonna do. 9 months, we got a Twitch baby. Yeah, you could have even had a preemie baby last month. Imagine coding on the weekend couldn't be me. Well, yeah, I'm not gonna mention it's a YOLO merge, but I will mention this person because, lol. Let me get their handle here. Mark Shannon. Should I also get the release manager? Probably. Just Pablo. I think Pablo's the release manager, right? In the output below. I'm gonna make this box bigger. Here's minimal example. Python 3.9, you get this. On 3.10, you get this with the fucked up frame. Let's put a new line between these. and submit. Cool. Here's the BPO issue. This is definitely a regression in 3.10, and I don't think pytest should make a code change for it. Here's a minimal reproduction, for example, without pytest. Python and notice we get a frame with a -1 line number. Boop. Cool. That would be sick, but do what suits you better. Yeah, I wanna stream more and at better times as well. Have I already done code on the weekend? Yes. But not this weekend. There you go. Pablo for 3.10 and 3.11. Yeah, 4.0. James Rankin says, do you expect pre-commit.ci will make enough money for you to quit your job? It depends on how many people pay for it, is the actual answer. Because the hosting costs are relatively constant. I mean, they will scale up more as I get more users, but it's not like a I have very much sublinear costs per number of people. So yeah, I mean the dream is that it makes enough money for me to quit my job. I don't know how much of that is a reality. Actually, I don't even need it to make enough money for me to quit my job. I need to make enough money from my several sources of income to quit my job. That's the actual dream. So for those of you that don't hang out in the stream, those are GitHub sponsors, Tidelift, Twitch, YouTube, and now pre-commit.ci. So I would need to make enough money from those 5 sources to sustain myself enough to justify quitting my job. But that would be pretty cool. Big Pablo is everyone at the moment, everywhere at the moment. He must be putting all he's got into this. Yeah, a lot of people are doing that right now. They're trying to rush changes to get in before the beta release, which happens. Is there a paying customer already? There are 2 paying customers already. One of them is me, and one of them is Adam. But yes, technically there are 2 paying customers, which is pretty cool. One of them is pre-commit.ci itself. So pre-commit.ci is using pre-commit.ci. I actually haven't set up all the repos on it so far, so it's just one of the private repos, but I need to set the rest of them up at some point. Woot indeed, silly buttons. Thank you. Gets a new job, already wants to quit. Yeah. Right? I mean, does anyone actually want to work at their job forever? I don't think anyone actually wants to work at their job forever. But anyway. Cool. Oh man, good to get this off my plate. Marco updated this. And it's no longer work in progress. Okay, well, I guess we can review this then. This is a Boolean trap. We haven't talked about this before. How complicated is this function? What is this? Remove comments? I would make a separate function for this entirely. Overloading the purpose of rewrite. No QA comment, for this seems not the greatest. Also, you can utilize the callback functionality for re.pattern.sub to not need to double match or double replace match. This should make it less error prone. Probably could have told them that while I was work in progress, but oh well. Oh well. But yeah, I need to fill up my water because it's been too long. So I'll do that in a sec. Well, let me catch up on chat first. DL says, I want my job to be sleep, then I'd be willing to work at my job forever. Marco, you're in chat. I see live PR review. The pressure's on. It's actually the second time I reviewed it on stream, though. I don't think you want to sleep forever. That's called being dead. I mean, isn't that not so bad? I don't know. Jackie, hello, hello. Welcome back. Lenzed says, you navigate GitHub like it's your home. Let me tell you, buddy. I spend way too much time on GitHub. Way too much time on GitHub. Now, subtract about 1,200 from this. Because there's, well, 1,300. So subtract 1,300 from this. And then it's pretty accurate. But I spend a lot of time on GitHub. So it happens. It happens. Why does it think this is mostly issues in this? 100% commits there. 0 issues. Interesting. This should be like almost all code review. Oh, I guess it's overall it thinks. Oh, it thinks it's mostly issues because of this. This is why it thinks I'm 99% issues. Because I did a whole fuck ton of issues there. Got it. Got it. Anyway, yeah, I spent a lot of time on GitHub, so. Refusion! Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. DL says, Anthony writes codes that we're all thinking, but those damn depression questionnaires force us to think right instead. Yeah. It is where he picks up the hot grills. Yeah, I guess that's how GitHub works. Okay, but I'm gonna go fill up my water. I'll be Alright, we're back. And there's the water. Nerum! Welcome back! You changed the capitalization of your name. Good to see you again. Drunk Time Lord, hello, hello. Yeah, you have your 3-month badge, Drunk Time Lord, with your silver button. Alrighty, but I am caught up enough on open source. I still have 3 things to do. I need to record a talk. I think I'm going to be talking about all repos. So that should be pretty cool. But I need to, it's a 15-minute talk, so I gotta somehow squeeze the concepts of all repos down to 15 minutes. Which I feel like there's potentially a lot to talk about there. Outdated version. Hello, hello. Good to see you. Yeah, I did realize, Nerum. I did realize that you uncapitalized your name. Exonity with the signature whiskey emote. Hello, hello. Did you mean the Get XRX copy? XD. Yeah. So I made this thing a long ass time ago. And some company just released their own shitty version of this. Yeah, and it now has more stars than my thing. But like, theirs is worse in every single way. You need to like get reclones on every run. It's kind of messy. And it doesn't have any of the like searching functionality. But they wrote their own more complicated and less useful version than I did. So anyway. But I'll be talking about all repos and putting together. Oh, do I have to do slides? I don't want to do slides. I think I'm gonna skip slides. I think I'm gonna do without slides. I think I can just yell to it. Basically the same as my YouTube videos, right? Will the talk be on YouTube? Yeah. I'm actually probably gonna do the talk twice. Once for the conference and once for my channel. Because like the conference talk is gonna have, you know, the garbage at the beginning where it's like, hi, my name is Anthony. If you don't know about me, I maintain a whole bunch of shit on YouTube, on GitHub, and blah blah blah, Flake8, pre-commit, pytest, talks, you know, the whole spiel. But for the talk, you know, for the video on my channel, y'all kind of already know that. I don't know if it's super relevant to introduce myself and talk about, oh yeah, follow me on Twitter, go watch my YouTube and Twitch channel. Like you'll literally be watching it on my YouTube channel, so there'll be no reason for me to shill as much there. But in the conference talk, I'm gonna shill myself, because what's the point of giving a conference talk if you don't get some Twitch subs, right? Silly Button says, is it a bad idea to comment out the file permission check in all repos? I mean, if you ever think that there will be another untrusted process running on your machine, then sure, comment it out. If you don't think that there will ever be any untrusted process. But it is a good idea to not comment that out. If you're on Windows, the permissions are different, so I think the Windows stuff has been fixed. So if you're on Windows, I think if you pull the latest version, it no longer complains. But yeah, if you're on POSIX, yeah, you should definitely not comment out the permission check there. All repos repo. Yeah, you're right. You're right, outdated version. Repo. Rainy Day Tomorrow says, if I understand correctly, you're using VirtualBox. Have you tried VMware? Do you notice any major performance differences between the two, especially in file system emulation? I have not used VMware on Windows. However, I'm using it on macOS because the graphics emulation, actually no, the keyboard emulation, for whatever reason on macOS, and this is only in Big Sur, so it worked fine in Catalina. But the keyboard emulation in VirtualBox is super fucking broken right now, where if you press a key, it just mashes the key like 50 times. And I've turned key repeat off on macOS, so like I have all of the, like, you know, you have to press the key once every time you want the letter to appear. And for some reason, the latest version of macOS is fucked up there. So I redid my whole work setup to use VMware instead of VirtualBox, and it seemed to fix that. But other than that, they're basically the same to me. The one thing that's really fucky with VMware that I've found though is the guest editions or whatever the equivalent is on VMware is super buggy and segfaults all the time. I don't know why, and I don't have time to debug it, and I don't care enough to debug it. Like when it crashes, I just reboot my box and start again. That's the main difference that I've seen is the keyboard emulation on macOS and VMware's guest editions seem really buggy. Oh, I missed some follows. Panky TV and Stonefree, thank you both for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Here, take my star so you're close to the other repo. Thank you. Appreciate your star. Windows where the admin is a user. Yeah. In Windows, ID 0 belongs to Bill Gates exclusively. Oh, that's funny. Only real computers have root. All right, cool. But yeah, we already reviewed this. All right, so we're gonna fix some stuff in pre-commit.ci. So I've already set up some stuff here. However, I ran into like a weird bug as I was trying to set up the stream today. So this is the dev account, which isn't on the marketplace, but you can set up a temporary preview listing, a draft listing, and what you're supposed to be able to do is take these plans and edit them. But what I was trying to do is, because I actually changed the pricing structure since last time, I made this cheaper and this slightly more expensive. But I wanted to delete these to make them match prod, but when I click delete and then I press OK, it's like, could not delete listing plan. The plan still has subscriptions, which is literally impossible because it could only be me. And I know I don't have the plan set up. And I can't possibly have both plans set up. So like, we try to delete this one, so let's try and delete this one instead. Delete, yes. What? What is going on here? The weird thing though is if we go to plans and I delete the free one, I can delete the free one just fine. And that's the one that's actually being used. Oh wait, no, I can no longer delete the free one. Oh, well, I deleted the free one and recreated it recently, so that's so weird. But I think what I have to do is delete my account? No, that's too heavy-handed. I think what I want to do here is uninstall this, which will be really annoying. It's gonna make my local dev database is already fucked, so I think I'm just gonna do this. Maybe this will fix it? And then in theory I could go here and be like, well, I don't actually want to delete the free one. The free one's fine. I want to delete this one. Delete. Ah! Alright, yeah, we'll message support. Help. And contact support. Oh god, they've made a new flow. I think it's literally neither of these. It's none of these topics. Oh, why did they do this? I hate when they change the support around. This is such a fucking pain in the ass. I think this is the closest one. Yeah. Counter billing issues. Yeah, I guess. Another cannot delete draft. Marketplace plans. How can we help? I am trying to delete all of the draft plans for this marketplace. This draft marketplace listing, which I use for debugging. But I cannot seem to delete this one, to delete any of them. I get an error message that says, could not delete the listing plan. This plan still has subscriptions, which you must cancel before deleting the plan itself. However, can't possibly have subscriptions because it is in draft form. And I have removed all of the accounts associated with it. Anyway, I doubt they'll get back to me, but whatever. Did you watch the video on McDonald's ice cream machine scandal? I did not. Hey, what's up, Neckleric? Who says, a little late, but congrats on the GitHub Marketplace release. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. It's pretty cool. Okay, but anyway, we can just add the actual personal basic, which is flat rate, and this one is 10 and 120, and this is for personal accounts. Personal basic. That's all I really need to do to debug this, I think. Okay. All right, so then what I can do is... Oh, I needed to click publish. Fuck. Where did that go? There's no back button now. Well then... Here, plans and pricing. Oh, it says draft. I have to click publish. Application is published by a GitHub user's account. Cannot publish paid plans. You need to transfer. Oh, God. What the fuck? Why have they changed everything out from under me? That must be why. That must be why I can't change it. This is new. Yeah, because it used to be able to publish paid plans. All right, well, fuck it. We'll just reuse one of the existing ones. But now they're gonna delete it out from under me, which is gonna make debugging a pain in the ass. Because I don't really want to transfer this to an org, but. Ugh. Hey, what's up, James Boyne? Hello, hello. Because when you transfer it to an org, it means anyone can install it, which is a lot of pain. Apparently it's always broken because the company that makes the machines have been partners with McDonald's since their inception, and 25% of the ice cream machine's company revenue comes from McDonald's repairs, which is paid by franchises. Oh, that's messy. Kendrick Mann says, tips to get better at C++. I mean, use smart pointers. I don't know, write a lot of code. I think that's kind of the answer to like any get better at X is you know, write a lot of code doing that, and yeah, that's basically the way. All right, looks like Marco has turned around the pull request. We can look at it again. Oh, nice. Bar foo foo. I'm actually surprised that this line is not triggering the linting errors. Is it because Flake8 is dumb? Yeah, wait, what? How does this get past the linting here? I'm gonna check out their branch just because I'm curious. Maybe the line's not long enough? Maybe the line length is limited? I don't know. GitHub asatilli/yesqa. What linting errors did you expect? E501. Line too long. Because it's E501 already. Git remote, add Marco Gorelli. Oh, it's you. I see. You were answering me in chat. I understand. I'm just curious why. Why? Git branch, git checkout. It's possible that I've set the line length shorter already in the test to do that. Intentionally? Oh yeah. Why are these not triggering like 8? Huh. Feels like a bug in Flake 8. Maybe. Deciding if E501 should be reported. User configured E501 to be selected. 501 will be selected. It's ignored specifically in line with the no QA. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Well, that's dumb. It should not consider string. It should only consider comments as no QA comments, not random strings. Oh, that sucks. Ugh. That means, like, if there's an error on any of these other lines, it's also ignoring those. Fuck, really? Was it always like this? Anthony finds a bug? I find bugs all the time. Less than 3.9. Okay, 3.8. 3.7. Oh no. Alright. This is broken in 3.6. Blake's checker object has no attribute contest. We gotta use an older version of Python. You're not wrong, silly buttons. You're not wrong. It's looking to me like this has always been broken. Which I feel like it should change. Yeah. By CQA/Flake8. Flake8 should only consider a no QA comment if it is actually a comment. Minimal reproduction. FF equals no QA. I expect this to report the same as if that were an unrelated string. The music has stopped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. An extra new line at the top. Unrelated.py. This is a bug. Confirmed. Unconfirmed. By core. Neat. Neat. Anyway. Oh man, now I'm super far behind on chat. Sudo is now squeaky clean. Picking Discord. Nice, nice. Jackie says, just did a rapid test on the big C. What does that mean? People's best tip: use more constant const expert. Yeah, exactly. Welcome to capitalism, where everything is about making money at any cost. It's true. It's true. Damn, you remember the linting error codes? Do you remember all of them? No, I remember the important ones. Like E501 is line too long. W504 and W503 are the positioning of the binary operator ones. F401 is imported but unused. What's the backslash one? No, I don't remember that one. Anyway, I remember a bunch of them. The important ones. Yeah, the no QA in the string turns it off, which is weird. This is fun. Sorting out typing in pandas, bug in yesqa, bug in flake8, bug somewhere else. Yeah. Are 10x developers a real thing? Like, do some people have innate talent to write code faster than you ever could? I don't know. Hey, what's up, Q Ringer? Hello, welcome to the stream. Jitoho says, what's the confirmed by label for? Sometimes, well, it was more common in the older, when the issue tracker was older, but I would scroll through issues, find ones that were not confirmed by core dev, and then try and confirm them, and if I couldn't confirm them, I would just close them. So it was a way for me and Ian to filter stuff quickly. Hey, what's up, Jake5891? Hello. And I think I said hi to Q Ringer, but I'll say hello again in case I missed him. Welcome. Twitch Mikey 2010, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. But yeah. All right, so that's the Python issue, which we made bug ticket for. Oh, we were reviewing this, and that was when I got distracted. But I guess we can leave this as broken until I fix it in flake8, and then I have to upgrade and improve this again as well. Yeah. Mask no QA comment. I think this should do the same thing. Or what am I trying to say? Do we know this is a comment token already? We do. Okay, never mind. That was what I was gonna filter for. So match is not none. If match.group is the whole, if it's a full match. Are these not the same? Also, we only want to replace out the no QA part. I think, not the whole string. What does this regex look like? No QA RE. Yeah, I think we only want to replace out, well, the group should match the whole thing. Oh, that's what the -2 is. The white space is not optional there. Yeah, these are the same thing now. So there's no need for the if statement here. So I'll get rid of the if statement. I would write this as a separate function so the x can be typed. And there's no need for the two branches here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Tofu's here! Hi, puppy! Hi, puppy! Oh, there's a crazy little puppy. Hey! Sit, sit, sit. Down, down. Shh. Quiet. I know you're so happy to see me. Yeah, let me pick you up. Let me pick you up. Look at this crazy puppy. Look at this crazy puppy. Look at this crazy puppy. Look how excited you are to see me. There you go. You can see chat. What's wrong? What's wrong, puppy? Why'd you start screaming?
Oh, she missed you so much. I did not respond.
Oh, crazy puppy.
Hi, chat.
Crazy puppy.
Hello. Oh my god.
Yeah, she's
So happy.
She's
Ew.
she's slobbering you. Ah! Alright, I'll let you down. I'll let you down.
I got her. Wow. Hopefully you missed somebody, even though it's only been 2 days. Oh man.
Crazy puppy. Since the second one handles the case as well. Silly Buttons just gifted 10 bits and says bit shift. Bit shift, Mel. Bit shift. Bit shift. Yeah.
Well, should I order station?
Yeah, order food. Food sounds great.
Oh, I brought my mic. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we could do that. Hold on, let me think. NDI. There's an NDI plugin for OBS. Tofu! Tofu, tofu, tofu! Oh, come here, puppy! Ow! Well, we just decide to fuck off, I guess. I guess brains work differently, and if your brain logic is close to programming language logic, you write code, but 10x seems a little overwrite. Let me tell you, James Boyan, there's been a lot of people that I've worked with which are like 1/10x developers. So I assume there's definitely a scale. Nirm says, just found this on Reddit. How to generate a random string, put a Windows user in front of him and tell them how to exit. Oh no. James Wood says, if me, I've been working on tokens all week for my formatter. Come to Anthong's stream and it's more tokens. It's tokens, tokens, tokens. It's true, it's true. Tofu is being extra today. Yes, very much extra today. Tofu really is bitey. Yes, yes. Tofu is more energetic than I remember her, but that may just be my bad memory. I didn't drop any frames, Belnothus, so it's probably just you. Hey, what's up, Cybertrucker? Hello, hello. What? 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 Mel just said, go bite his dick, Tofu. Please, please don't. I would rather not. I'd rather not. Okay. Looks like Marco has already fixed it, perhaps? Yeah, there we go. Nice. Nice. That looks good. Sick. Nice fix. Did they put the little comment that auto closes the issue? They did. Perfect. What are you barking at, Tofu? Tofu! Oh no. Alright, I'm gonna go see what she's barking at. What are you barking at, puppy? Tofu was afraid of a bicycle helmet, and that's what she was borking at. Control X, yeah. It was fun. Thanks for the live review. Yeah, no problem. Oh no. Did I lie to you? Did it break? What it mad about? Oh god, everything. Type object is not subscriptable. Oh yeah. You gotta import match from typing because this still supports Python 3.6. Unfortunately. Unfortunately, not Python 3.7 plus here. So yeah, gotta import match. But other than that, that'll fix it. Bang cat. Where did the cat meme come from? Did GitHub auto add it, or was it from some kind of a script? Yes. Actually, do I have a video about it? Oh, I know I have a video about it. Oh, I might have moved it. It would be in the other room. You can borrow mine if you need one. But it would be in that room. The fuck is the video for this? I know I did this. Why can I not? Oh, maybe it was an FAQ video? Maybe that's why I'm not finding it? Video... Playlists... Was it an FAQ video? Oh, Beldath's found it. Okay, perfect. But yeah, it came from a script. So it sources it from this this webpage, which has some ship it gifs. It has a maybe ship it gif because this one's kind of creepy and people didn't like it, so I moved it to the maybe ship it category. And then it has some don't ship it's. Oh, you can't see what the text is down here. But yeah, ship it gifs. Hi, puppy. But yeah, ship it. But yeah, I wrote the user script for this, so it basically pulls down that web page, grabs a haphazard pseudo-random image from it, and then when you click the pull request approve, it sticks it into the body of the thing. So yeah. But the reason that I separated into categories is the original script just picked a random GIF, and it put the "what the fuck are you doing" GIF on someone's pull request, and I was like, oh, yeah, I should filter to the actual ship it GIFs and not the not ship it GIFs. Probably get some heat at work if I use some of those don't ship it ones. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. But yeah, that's where that comes from. Oh wait, it's green now? I'm confused. What happened? Did we, yeah, we did the import. Hi, puppy! Hello! No? You just want to play with Mel? Okay, that's fine too. That's fine too. But yeah, I can do reapprove and merge and release and get that out there, and then we can start working on the pre-commit.ci stuff. Although I have another email. I hope it's just from yesqa. Hope it's just from yesqa. You had 2 kitties on this pull request. Alright. Get the log. What is the last tag that we did? 1.2.2. This is a bug fix? Yeah, it's a bug fix, I think. 1.2.2 with 1.2.3. Yes. Yeah, you got 2 kitties, Marco. That's true. 1.2.3. S-test, B-test, wheel. Ah. Get my PyPI password. I feel like my house is cold. And push this up with thanks. Cool, done. Oh no, is there a CNN article about how to pronounce GIF? Code Blue? It's settled how to pronounce GIF. Yeah, it's I don't know why I find that so funny. As my favorite dumb joke. Hey. Hey. Look at these. Mark against the release blocker since it's breaking pytest. Yay. Sick. Cool, cool, cool. Cool. Like the peanut butter gif? No, no. No. No, dog. I refuse to accept that. It's not the graphics interchange, my man. But yeah, anyway. Yeah, thanks Michael Gorelli for the patch. Appreciate that. Nice easy fix there. And makes the tool better for everyone, which is always good. Neurom says, "Give me your money." Yes. Okay, so I think what I need to do is now that I don't have it installed, I think I need to set up a speaking of giving me your money. Silly Buttons, thank you for the 5 gift subs to Hinge, Aditya at 3 months, Old Man Judo, Fang Skills, and Robot Baby Tiger at 3 months. Thank you for the gift subs. Appreciate that. There you go, chat. You get your unbuttons. I've heard it JIT as in Git before. Wow, GitHub. There's someone I forget who on Twitch. Somebody on Twitch calls it GitHub to be funny. And they're definitely funny, and I definitely appreciate the meme. But yeah. Code Blue says, I'm just gonna call it Bobby instead of Babby then. I mean, teach their own. It's canonically Babby. Although, I think Where's X calls it Bobby. Because she doesn't know. But that's fine. You can call it whatever you want. What? What? You like Bobby better than Babby? Why though? Yeah, what's the bad news? Oh. You wanna pick something else?
Chat, what do we want?
Chat, what do we want for lunch?
Bear in mind we're going on a 5-mile hike this afternoon. So nothing too crazy.
Yeah. Although sushi was gonna be kinda crazy.
I feel like sushi, like you feel really full in the moment and then you're fine like 40 minutes later.
What? No.
At least I
Ooh, falafels. Ooh.
Falafel?
Yeah, where'd the shorts go? Where'd the shorts go, Tofu?
Shorts. What have you done with her?
Oh,
Why is she looking for shorts?
There was a set of shorts over there that she would cuddle up with. What have you done with her?
Not until she came here.
Chompasaurus. I don't know if chat can hear the chomps though. Can you hear the chomps, chat? Oh, for sure. Yeah, they can totally hear the chomps.
Falafel? What's the
Falafel?
name of the falafel place?
Hummus Mediterranean.
On door.
Yeah, it's also on Yelp. Don't you bite my bed? Shit.
Okay, pick the things up.
Hey!
I'm gonna set up them.
Okay. Do you just want hummus and... Oh. Okay. That's complicated. Oh god, this is like harder to view on mobile.
Go get him.
Huh?
Go find a stick.
Why are you? Why? Why is that your instruction? Yeah, but she'll do it anyway. Give me a sec, chat. Gotta order some food. Yeah, Tofu's here. Tofu is indeed here. We should probably just go with how the creator says it's pronounced then. Nah, the creator's wrong. Creator's wrong. I'm okay being not internally consistent here. I realize I understand your argument, but nah. I'm gonna reject their reality and substitute my own. Who the fuck is hummus on here? There we go. Alright, Melly Bean. Here you go. Toxic food bricks. That doesn't sound good. There you go. Oh, did I not press the button? Okay. And some, of course, some extra pytest. Hi, Tofu. What are you snooping around for? What are you snooping around for? Hey, nice.
Find a stick.
Hey, why? Just clonked her head on the bed. Yeah, you little dummy.
She hasn't been on a walk.
Can you put my sweatshirt up on my bed so she doesn't eat it? Wow, you really waggled that in front of her face. You trying to get her to eat it? Don't give her the sweatshirt nipples.
Ew, don't call them.
Hi. Hi. Nice. Naughty. Is that gonna work? Maybe she'll try the opposite of what I say. Wow, you're sunburned. What happened? Yeah, what did you do?
I went on the high glass again.
Yeah.
Biting me?
Bobby is then.
She's mauling me.
I see.
Off.
Down.
Considering
it's short for graphical interchange format, it's clear that the creator is wrong. Yeah, there we go. It's just me thinking quesadillas and queso are a solid lunch. Oh man, quesadillas sound good too. Hey!
I'm being mauled.
Stop it!
Leave my sweatshirt alone. Leave it.
Hey.
I think she needs a walk.
Yeah, I agree. She need to go in a crate for a while. Okay, anyway, let's try and fix this pre-commit bug. So what we need to do here, Tofu needs a doggy sibling. Tofu needs a fucking walk. That's what actually needs to happen. Wait, closed fixed. What? Oh, this is the old bug? Yeah, this is the old bug. Okay, I was like, closed fixed. What? I must have closed the wrong tab. Okay, so I think what I need to do is preview listing, set up a plan, and buy the plan before I've created the this is fake money because it's draft. Buy the plan before I've created the thingy. That's literally gonna make me type in a credit card. Why is this? Is it just me or is this blurry? I am Nikolai Yulanov. Thank you for follow. Welcome to stream. Why is it making me enter a credit card? I don't want to do this. It's hella blurry. It's not just me. Yeah, why is this blurry? What the fuck is going on here? What have they done to their... Oh god, even the overlay is blurry. What the fuck? Must be a Chrome bug. Or is the background blurred? No, I don't see a blur anywhere here. Maybe it's everything in content? I don't see blur being applied here. That's really weird. Yes, enter that on stream. Yeah, that doesn't seem like a good idea. How did I debug this before? Whoops. So we're gonna look at my face for a little bit while I log into PayPal. And I don't know why it's requiring me to log in to pay money to something that doesn't actually exist. So that's a little bit concerning, but oh well. JPEG text, yeah, right. Don't understand why that is a thing. Do you get the full amount when somebody pays through GitHub? I don't know yet. I actually don't know. I assume I don't. I assume I get some. I assume like at least the Stripe chunk off the top is taken off. But I don't know the answer there. So we'll see when I get paid, I guess. Oh god, yeah, this would have shown so much PII. I'm glad I didn't do that. Still showing PII. Still can't show you yet. Complete order. Okay, I think we're at the point where I can show this again. Oh, I forgot to do set today. Whoops, set today, fixing a few open source things, then working a bit on pre-commit.ci, and then lunch stream, question mark? Sleepbutton says, what about Twitch? Would it be better to GitHub donate or Twitch gift sub? So I only get half of what a gift sub is. So I believe the current what? Yeah, it is a scam. I believe that the current way that I receive the highest percentage is through GitHub sponsors or through pre-commit.ci. I actually don't know the percentage that's taken off pre-commit.ci though. But I think GitHub sponsors is the best. I think next after that is Streamlabs donations. I guess I get every percentage of bits. So bits is the highest percentage because I get 100% of that. But you pay up front to Twitch more than the amount they get, so it's a little bit different there. Okay, so let me set up this. Let me also set up the private repo. We also want demo 2. Actually, I think we might as well just click them all in here. Hey, thank you for the 1,000 bits, silly buttons. I get every bit of those bits. There you go. Appreciate that. Thank you for your contribution. Okay, so this should have the bug, in that it should have not signed me up properly. So we should see, where's demo 4? There we go. So it shows up as a private repo, but I'm pretty sure if I were to make a commit on GitHub to demo 4, then I won't have the permission here. So if I do pre-commit.ci run, actually, little secret chat, you can actually just edit this and it'll retrigger it. So this should cause a failure, I think. Updated version! Thank you for the 500 bits, appreciate that. Yeah, here we go. So private repos require a paid plan, even though we set up a paid plan. So this is the bug. And I believe the fix for it is Avalbona, man, it's been a long time. Hello, how are you doing? What are you working on today? We're working on a bit of pre-commit.ci to fix a little bug in the paid flow, where if you pay before you create an account, it doesn't think that you paid. So I just have to add an API endpoint, I believe. using this this URL, this API endpoint here to check. And I don't know whether account ID is a string or is it an integer. It says it's an integer. Get a subscription plan for an account. Shows whether the user or organization account actively subscribes to a plan listed by the authenticated GitHub app. Okay. Weird. Very weird. Pending charge purchase. I think this is what I want. Anyway, we will play with this and see what it does. There's nothing private in here, so I can just print it. Cool. Okay, so web handler. Yeah, so this is the one we have to do. Yeah, sure as shit, we've got plan equals none here. So I think what I need to do is print GitHub API dot. What does this return if it doesn't get it? Presumably a 404. Not purchased. Okay. Return GitHub API dot. I guess we can even just do plan equals GitHub API dot get installation plan, and we can use the account ID. Get marketplace plan. It's install plan. Yeah. Oh, I developed things. Thank you for the raid. That's not a very nice raid message. That's not a very PC raid message. What are you doing there? I'm gonna begrudgingly give you a shout out there. Assume that you are memeing. Welcome to the stream. Von Dutchy says, I only found about nano dash mouse tag yesterday. Yeah, nano does have mouse support. It's not that great. I don't have mouse support in Babby. I mean, Python's not a great language, but I would be careful about the words that you're using because they're not. They make me feel uncomfortable. So, but anyway. Julia's fine, if you like one index to raise. And really crappy class support, but you know, that's what you sign up for, I guess. It's super fast, so our bad had no idea what to spam. No, it's all good. It's all good. Appreciate the raid either way. How are you doing today? What were you working on? I developed things. Web GitHub API. Oh. We might as well get marketplace plan. I might as well time this out since, yeah. Actually, we can probably inline this here. Yeah. Okay, so we need, oops, def API get marketplace plan. And this takes account ID, which is an integer, and returns a stir or none. That is cool. Yeah, there we go. I know things as Discord bot and some framework stuff. Been a pretty productive one. Nice, nice. DDL says, I don't suppose you're going to need to flip between org plans and user plans. I believe, yeah, I actually don't know what GitHub does in that case. I would hope that they auto promote or demote based on that, but I don't know. There's all sorts of weird edge cases between switching between users and not, and like I've actually left myself a note that I'm pretty sure something is broken here. What happens when an account converts to an org or the opposite? But I didn't even think about the paid plan part of that. Why did I care about this before? I forget why I cared about this before. Oh, because there's a different display for the edit URL if it's a user account. But yeah, I don't know what happens there, details. Presumably the world implodes and then GitHub support has to manually fix something. That's probably the most likely situation. Because there's no way they thought about that either. Okay. So this endpoint needs to do this. Try accept urlib.error.url error fe dot. Wow, that just returns none. I guess we don't check the code here. I guess we can just return none. api.github.com/this, and then resp equals rec.get URL. Oh no, it's just rec. Yeah, rec URL. Headers equals s2s headers. And then we can just do .json marketplace plan name. Turn resp.json marketplace plan marketplace purchase plan name. Theory that'll work. This should really be in an else block. My guess is there's gonna be a crash there. Let's see. If they don't have a marketplace purchase, we'll probably want this to return none as well. So let's just do try accept key error, turn none. Just be defensive. I don't think this will ever happen. Oh, actually, it could happen if they. No, I don't think that'll ever happen. We're gonna be non-defensive here. Slipbent says, "Just gonna be the project manager at pre-commit.ci and figure that out. You'll have to hire." I mean, I'm the project manager either way. She could be the product manager, yeah. It's marked as a release blocker, and this only rarely. Oh, I guess I can show this on stream. It's marked as a release blocker, so this will never appear in actual released versions. Note also that it doesn't break all testing in Python, just for a very particular subset of exceptional cases. Anyway, I don't think we should make a code change for Python being broken. Is my bottom line there. Okay. I hope this works. We'll see. Easiest is just test it in prod, I guess. Oh wait, we have I develop things and I develop bugs. Wait, I'm confused. Oh no. Who's who? I definitely confused both of you. I shouted out the wrong user too. Shoot. I just assumed you were the same person. There we go. Now we have the proper shout out. My bad. Are you enjoying your new job, Anthony? If I remember, you moved over to Stripe. It's a job. It gets I don't know, puts the bread on the table, I guess. Mr. Python, welcome back. Hello, hello. There we go. I shouted out the right person this time. My bad. I just my eyes glazed over, assumed it was the same person. I wonder if I should print this to make it just to see if we have to. Well, I'm gonna be confident. I'm gonna be confident that it works. So let's just do this. Have you tried Rust, Anthony? It's different? Yes, I have written a little bit of Rust. Set plan on install creation after purchase. Hello, hello. Yeah, hello, hello to you as well. Bounce. Deploy. That'll deploy it to our staging environment. I should be able to delete the install again. And then recreate it. And it should already be paid in theory. Okay, so configure, uninstall. Yes. Why is it still there? Okay, then we want to go to results dev. Wait a minute. Wait, what? Why are you still here? Oh, you're not. Oh, it's because it's cached from the login. I understand. I understand. Okay. So we need to at least get demo, demo 4, and demo 2. Okay, so now it should have the paid plan already. This should, if I refresh, get us demo 4. Yes, it does. Okay, and then I should be able to edit this. And it should work now. Sweet! That was super easy. That was super easy. Deploy to prod now. Perfect. Trying to learn it, it's great but hard. Rust, yeah. With it's very powerful. I really like the idea of writing safe little code. Cool. So that fixes that bug. I am going to go fill up my water again because I'm overdue on that. I will be right back, and I will see you in a bit. Hi, Marsma. Have a great stream. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you. All right, so food is here, so we're going to set up for lunch. Um,
Too much pita. They gave us like enough pita to fill out a pita village.
That's great. I mean,
It's too much pita.
I still eat it after, so it's fine. It's really good toasted. Uh, yeah. Let me figure out the scene first. Okay. So, what am I gonna do? How am I gonna do this? What's the easiest way for me to do this? Probably duplicate some other stream. What is my simplest scene? Is this my simplest scene? Yeah, I guess we can dupe this scene. Let's see. Duplicate. Do food. Okay, now we're on the food scene. So now we need to add an Ndi capture. Yes. Uh, from this thing. God, I hope this works. Hello? So I've found your NDI source, but it's outputting at 1 pixel by 1 pixel. So technical difficulties. That was so fast. Yeah, it's pretty close, and they're usually pretty quick. Use the broiler on the oven. Best thing. I have a toaster oven, so works great as well. Mr. Python says we have a Python library and it's IO intensive. Do you think it's worth to rewrite part of it in Rust and use FFI? I discussed this with one of the senior engineers in my company recently. He thinks it may not be worth it due to library being IO intensive and due to the garbage collector overhead in dynamic languages. If it's IO intensive, then it's definitely gonna be better. Oh, I guess wait. Depends if you're trying to do this in multiprocessing. If it's multiprocessing, then or multi-threading, then moving an IO-based task to a low-level language will improve stuff. But if it's IO overall, like it's probably not going to make much difference. Like if the slow part is the IO part, then it's not really gonna fix anything. Did you update it? Okay, let me delete it and recreate it. Remove. Add NDI again. Okay. I wonder if I have another NDI source that's doing this. Yeah. Oh, I wonder if it's just behind everything? Uh... Oh god, now it's just gone. I don't know why it's not working. It worked fine before. Let me go look at her laptop. Oh, I love technology, especially when it works. All right, let me try this again. Delete this. Move. I wonder if one of my other scenes has the Ndi source already on it. I only see the preview scene. I don't see your actual scene. I don't know.
What you mean? What you mean?
See how this says OBS preview? It says on your tutorial that it should say it should just say OBS here.
Got it.
Okay. All right, we're gonna let Mel try stuff there while my stomach grumbles. Okay, let's see. We have an AWC lunch where Anthony explains bit shifting. Oh no. Mr. Python says, and we can't use async IO to support Python 2. We use async core plus polling. Oh. I hope our customers stop using Python 2. Oh, you have customers that are stuck in Python 2. Oh no. Help Map says Python 2 is end of life, so the customer is pretty screwed come security vulnerabilities. Yeah, there's already quite a few that have come out since the end of life, so there's all sorts of messy stuff there. You have to work at h2o.ai because they will not drop Python 2 and it's a pain in the ass to try and use the Python API. Oh no. As the UK says, you inspired me to contribute back to open source software. All my projects had been just for family and my work. I got my first PR accepted day. That's awesome. What'd you contribute to? Asked the UK. Mr. Python says that I work at Hazelcast. Oh, see. All I have to say is it's hard to use Python without the features of Python 3. Oh yeah, for sure. Just eat, it gets cold. But we wanted to stream it. Mel, what if we just stream from your laptop? No, you don't want to? Okay. Oh, yeah, we could see it in here. Yeah, that would work too. You want to do that? Do you want to give it one more try?
Yeah. I'll play.
Okay.
I'll melt OBS.
Remove. Yes. Add. Guy. Yes. Mel OBS. 1 by 1 pixel. I might have the outdated NDI plugin.
Probably.
Yeah.
I just downloaded.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh well. Okay, we're gonna eat in here then.
Like animals. People.
Yeah. Well, we could eat on the table.
Oh shit! I'm
Oh no. Oh no. Help refactor some pet tests from unit test to pytest. Oh, nice. That's awesome. Banana says, I've been thinking about giving some of the work to PyPy for some methods while the rest is on CPython. I've heard about execnet, but it seems that it's maintenance only. I would not use execnet. You don't want to use execnet. But yeah, I mean, any kind of like multi-processing, you could just, you know, pickle and call subprocess pretty easily. Mr. Python says, do you get contributors to pre-commit? How often? Pretty often. There's a whole bunch of components to pre-commit that people can contribute to. So not just like the core framework, but also lots of other tools. But you can see that there's 100 contributors.
It's hot, it's hot, it's hot.
Okay. Ow, you're not fucking around. Okay, I'm gonna set this up and... Ow, holy shit. That's really hot. Clear off my desk and scoot us over and put us in the food and drink category. Found the fucker 278 gigs in system volume information. What? That's weird. That also seems like something you could probably Google and figure out why it's not a problem. It's still hot. Oh, we reheated the pita bread in the toaster oven to make it hot. So that's why that's still hot. Let me move the keyboard out of the way so that we can eat right here. Actually, should I make a new scene for this? An eating scene? We don't care about the code, we just care about... Is this scene fine? keyboard as far out of the way as we can. Yeah, that'll be fine. Oh my god, what are you doing?
Oh.
Here, I help. I help. Alright, let me switch category so that I don't get banned.
Look, they only have 2 forks for non-total animal.
Did they really only give us 2 forks?
Yeah.
Food. Alright, but we're gonna be eating lunch, so if you want to stick around for us eating lunch, then by all means. But if you don't, then that's fine too. What is it called, chat? Mukbang, right?
Mukbang. What mukbang is? You're ruining the word mukbang.
What is it then?
Mukbang is when you eat way too much, and chat makes you eat more.
Are you?
And you
okay.
have to be a tiny Asian girl.
Oh. Tani?
Tani-chan?
Tani-chan? Tofu, have you come to eat food too? You kind of gonna snitch because you know mommy gives you food?
I don't give her food.
little side eye there.
Dude, I do look really burned in this light.
Yeah, you look burned in real life.
Shiny.
You look burned in real life. All right, some nerds eat food, food and drink. Done.
Did you like expand your camera to include me?
Yeah. I think you have to scoot over. I think it's very narrow view.
Is mukbang Korean? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Jason.
Yeah, Jason is here.
Jason doesn't live that far.
Oh, really?
Come over and hang out.
Oh, really? I thought he was somewhere. Oh, did he just move?
No, not yet.
Oh, is he moving?
Yes. I think he's in Oakland right now.
Oh. I mean, that's kind of far.
Oakland's not that far. People act in like the Bay Area, like 30 miles is like.
Okay, so
fucking country.
this is what I'm eating. Falafel with some hummus. There's no way we're gonna need all this food. This is way too much food. You're vaccinated in Oakland. Perfect. Perfect. Tofu, what's up? What did Mel get? What did she get? Oh, she got this. You got the same thing. Nice. Okay, so we're gonna be eating the same food today, and we're sharing the grape leaves. What are they called? Dolma. And there's an extra hummus. This one fell and spilled. Yeah, it's real good. Mel, where'd you go? Oh, are you washing your face to be less shiny?
I'm just blotting my face.
I see.
Do it look less shiny now, chat? No! What is wrong with your camera?
I don't know. I need to get a new camera. I'm planning to do that soon. Okay, here you go.
Ask us anything.
AMA. Yeah, Dolma is so good. You are a little less shiny. As
Thanks.
Build Out this points out.
You wanna know what I did?
What'd you do?
I blotted my face with this napkin that came with the falafel.
Yum.
Shiny juice is greater than normal juice? It's true, it's true. I'm really rare. It's hard to
Extremely
catch
rare.
me.
Well, they're about the same cut rate. They're so unlikely to encounter.
Unlikely to encounter a shiny juice.
Yeah. Can you want to automate this?
We have dolma too in Turkey. I love dolma. When I lived in New York, there was like a... This is something that doesn't happen in this part of the world. Country. Where like you have your own like deli. And that deli feeds you more than you feed yourself. You don't have anything like this, do you?
No.
It's like everyone has their own little corner store. And there's like, usually you have to find like the 5 good things on their menu. And the one downstairs for me was run by these Turkish guys. So the dolma was like on point.
Marsha's here.
Hi, Marsha.
Oh, I guess I'm stealing all of this. You can sit down too if you want.
I'm okay.
Tofu, piss off. This is not for you.
So I ate a lot of dolma in college, is what I'm trying to say. How do I break a falafel? Just eat the whole thing?
I stab with a fork. You can also just eat the whole thing. Yeah, that works too. But...
Can we fork your lunch? That's what we're doing.
Yeah, send me a pull request.
NYC delis and bodegas is amazing. I agree. Especially just anything on a Kaiser roll.
Yeah.
Really good.
Yeah. So they're crunchy today, which is good. Sometimes the waffles aren't crunchy. So I will like reheat them. They're crunchy today.
I like if people just bonk Marsha on site.
Yeah. Gotta get the bonk quota.
Marsha doesn't get the benefit of the doubt.
Oh yeah, Marsha just hosted. Hello Marsha. How you doing? Did she say something? She did say something. Fork request, can I get a fork? That would be a fork request.
These hummus ratios are insane. There's a lot of hummus.
Yeah.
But Anthony... Here, okay, let me explain.
Oh no.
Here is how much hummus I put on a piece of bread. Versus how much hummus
Oh,
Anthony
yeah.
puts on a piece of bread. He's a hummus monster.
I mean, it's good. Tofu, you're so trying to snitch here.
She loves being underneath you while you eat. It's like her favorite pastime.
Is snitch a slur?
Mm-mm.
That one's okay to say?
It does mean, like, tell, though.
A monster. Oh yeah, I was told that I have to tell you how bit shifting works.
I know how bit shifting works.
Okay.
Wait, what is there to know?
I don't know.
Wait, what?
I don't know. I was just told I have to explain bit shifting to you.
What is there to understand? You shift the bits over. Like, why it's useful? Is that what you need to?
I don't know. I don't know what I was supposed to explain. They were just like, bit shifting to juice box 0.
So, you probably didn't watch it because my last stream, I created like a left shift and a right shift function.
Mm-hmm.
And everyone was mad that I was creating it instead of using the built-in functions.
How did you implement it?
I just turned the binary string into an array and then moved things throughout the array.
How did you turn it into an array? Oh, it gave you a binary string?
No, it gave me an integer.
Yeah.
And then I created a function to turn it into a binary array.
How'd you do that? Oh, toString 2?
No, it was like a series of divisions.
So divide by 2 and nibble off one bit at a time?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, that makes sense. I was talking to chat because I saw the clip and I was like, I saw the structure, the chunk of code, and I was like, I don't know how I would implement this without using BitShift. Like, I would implement BitShift using BitShift.
Well, it was a little disingenuous because I created BitShift using pop and shifts in arrays. So it was just sort of like the same functionality, but for an array.
But like 100 times slower.
But a lot slower, yeah.
Or
But that wasn't the
more
point.
Than that. I know.
The point wasn't to create an efficient thing. It was to create something. It was to create it from scratch so I understood it.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Kimiko, hello. Dota's here too. Is there any baba ganoush or is it all hummus? Yes, there's some right here.
What's a baba ganoush? That's the cutest name for anything.
I actually don't know what's in it.
It's just like yogurt sauce?
Kind of?
I feel like if I were gonna name food, it would be something adorable like baba ganoush.
Baba ganoush is like
a really cute name for food.
Sounds like something I would call my grandmother.
Yeah.
Old Granny Baba ganoush.
Or like the really nice lady that like gives you like Otter Pops in the summer. You're like, I'm gonna go buy old baba ganoushes and get me some Otter Pops. That's how it works, right?
Mm-hmm.
Silly Button says the same functionality that exists. Yeah. It's not trolling. It's just like a lot of people came to my chat and they're like, why are you doing this when it's built in? But, like, that's not why I'm going and doing all of AOC. What is it?
Nothing there, Tofu.
Tofu, sit. Down. Down. Good girl.
Oh, you're giving her foods.
I'm giving her pizza.
That's why she's bugging us.
Mm-hmm. True.
Do you know about toString 2 though?
What's toString 2?
You can take a number and call .toString on it, It'll turn into a string of an integer.
Into a binary string? No, a string of an integer. So just the number, like 3, 2.
Yeah, but you can also specify the base.
Oh. The base being... Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, that's fine. I don't know. Like, there's, like, literally a link to the prompt that says, like, here, use these binary, like, bitwise operators that are built into JS. And I didn't do it, so...
Nice.
I don't think you can give grape leaves to a dog, because grapes kill dogs.
Are grape leaves actually grapes?
No, but it's the grape leaf.
Sully Buttons, thank you for the bits. Built-in's bit shift, apparently. Oh, I don't have my... Do I not have my overlay on this scene? Oh, I do. I must have just missed it.
She wasn't barking for food. I don't know what she was barking at.
Yeah. My guess is like one of us talking vibrated something that set her off. Right? Sit.
She doesn't bark for food.
Down.
She just sits here looking sad until something falls.
Down. Tofu down. Yeah, you're not getting any food. Just gotta be nice. Now she's looking around. Where'd the food go?
Joda said I helped Juicebox discover a local. There's some guy in Oakland who was streaming.
Oh yeah? Very good.
I don't know, I didn't hear his comedy.
Oh. Were they just like shit chatting?
No, they were programming.
They were programming?
But they were dropping frames like crazy. It was kind of hard to get a read on the stream.
A programming comedian.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't think programmers could be funny.
Maybe he's a bad programmer.
Yeah, that would do it. That would do it.
He's doing stuff in Ruby though. And where is X is the person who rated it?
Also, it's a chain raid. Yeah, I hiccup on stream all the time. Chat usually clips it too.
I don't know if chat could hear that.
Pretty sure they could. This microphone picks up everything.
Have you ever farted on stream?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Even a silent one? Even like a quiet, slow release?
You don't trust that.
Like an extended release fart?
You don't trust that.
I know when it's gonna make some noise.
What?
No, you can't tell.
No?
You need to listen to your gut more.
How do you know it's going to make noise?
You just know.
What percent accuracy do you have on this noise determination?
It's like 80.
Oh, no. You don't know them.
80 is pretty high.
80 might as well be 0.
Wait, what? 4 out of 5 times I'll know if it makes a sound or not.
I guess if the false...
See, this is the difference between product managers and engineers.
Well, if the false negative
80%
rate...
sounds great to me.
If the false negative rate is high, then...
80% is higher than the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
Is it really?
Yeah, but... So, there's a bunch of theories about why it's lower. A lot of it being like, if the study...
80% uptime sounds great to a product manager. You heard it here first.
No.
Yeah, who needs those fucking 9s? We can just have 80%
Not
uptime.
uptime. It's like 80% predictability. It sounds good to a product manager. Like, if I make an 80% prediction that this product will make us, like, I don't know, like $20 million in the next 6 months, I'll fucking ship that instantly. Instantly.
Yeah. What if it was like a model to predict something? Like a machine learning model?
Like the model was 80% correct?
Yeah.
Depends what it's measuring.
Yeah.
What are the stakes here?
I mean, the stakes are fart on stream. Seems pretty fucking high to me.
I don't know about what? Everybody farts.
That's true.
There's nothing to be ashamed about for farting.
But it doesn't have to be part of your content.
No, well, it's not. It's not like the main focus of your content.
It will be for the next like 5 or 10 minutes. Hey guys, you hear that Anthony writes code, dude? He farted on his stream.
That's not that funny.
He had an 80% accuracy.
I got in an argument the other day about the sucking and the blowing of the fan.
Oh no, someone else that agrees with me? Nice.
I forgot my original position.
I mean, that sounds like when you were back and forthing it the first time anyway.
Are you already done?
Because I eat fast. Actually.
Compared. Okay, this is how much I've eaten. 2 falafel.
No. Here.
What do you want?
I want you to pick up your top one.
On stream?
Whoa.
No, then it's gonna be gross underneath.
Why does it matter? You can get the top clip for the week on food and drink.
That time we farted while eating.
Yeah. Oh, we should have eaten in the hot tub. Or in the bathtub. And then we could have
I'm
been
not gonna eat in the bathtub.
Then we could have been a food and drink hot tub stream.
What's that for? A teeny tiny can? An ant?
Yeah, it's a tiny cock. Tiny Coke.
I think it's the perfect amount of soda. I feel like the regular size cans are too much. I let it go flat and warm.
Yeah, when you have the normal cans, you usually leave them around the house with like 25% left at the bottom.
Have you found those?
Oh yeah.
So the baby cans are perfect.
I've yet to find a normal size can that has been completely full or
That's
defulled.
why I start getting the baby cans.
Yeah, it makes sense.
You can append in a hot tub to everything. Yeah, if you're a shill. Wait, a shill an ethnic slur?
You're the one that knows these slurs more than I do.
Like, well, I found out that the G word is an ethnic slur like 6 months ago. I had no idea.
The G word with a Y in it?
Yeah.
Directly after the G? Yeah.
Yeah. You taught me that.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know about that. So I'm always kind of like,
My dad didn't know that either.
Sounds like it could be an ethnic slur that I don't know about.
Oh, yeah, it totally is.
Shill?
No,
Oh.
I mean... Ginger? Is in a hot tub the new in bed for fortune cookies? I mean, for Twitch. That's how you get all them gift shubs.
Juice is scared of swearing? The fuck? What are you talking about?
Stop fucking swearing!
The fuck you talking about, bitch?
Yeah, that is the word.
That's the word, silly buttons.
That's why I got auto-modded, and my hands are not gonna press allow or deny, because...
Silly buttons found out the word that we didn't know was a slur.
I mean, I knew it was a slur.
I didn't know it was a slur.
Yeah. That's the one my dad didn't know was a slur. Yeah, I just got modded, so chat doesn't know. But there's a node library that's used by, like, everything.
Called that?
Yeah.
Unrelated, though?
Called node-that.
Mm.
I don't know if it's related or not. Most people don't think it is and use it. Yeah. If I recall correctly, it was popularized during the rise of Nazi Germany.
Well, I mean, it's especially hard for Americans to understand that is, because that ethnic group doesn't really...
Yeah, because they've been eradicated for the most part.
I mean, like, they're no, like... Okay, I'm just gonna tell you, it's a commonly used word based on the gypsy people. You can probably figure out what it is there. But there are, like, no, like, ethnic gypsy groups in America, really. And if they are, I don't know about them. So it's, like, hard to know.
They're an extreme minority at best.
Yeah. Well, the only reason why I know that they're an ethnic group is because of, like, some terrible VH1 show I watched once. That was, like, my big fat gypsy wedding. And it was just, like, following gypsy brides getting, like, married.
Yeah.
And that's the only reason why I knew.
Well, I took a course on Eastern European cinema. And a huge chunk of that was about persecution of the gypsies.
That makes sense.
So
I was such a weeb in college. I only took East Asian studies. I took a Japanese literature class. I took a Japanese film class.
Is that where you got the history of Japan
I took an
video
Eastern
from?
poetry class. I don't know, I really like Japanese culture. And if I were a white man, people would think I was weird.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Jusu-chan.
Actually, in my Japanese class, people called me Meru-chan.
Oh, Kanbiko says oi, because pretty sure Kanbiko is a white dude in Japan.
Sorry, Kamiko. That's unfortunate. You will get lumped into a category of men.
The webs.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, puppy. Yeah, you got your snitch. You got it.
What is she?
He's trying to get you to give her more food. Careful, you'll end up in D tier. Oh no.
God, someone yesterday. Oh, I was hanging out with True and Jordan.
Yeah.
Yesterday, and Jordan's gonna start ranking other streamers.
Okay.
In a tier list situation.
Someone else also did this. I forget who.
Really, everyone's still in my content.
Yeah.
I'm seeing dog puppy cams now.
Yeah. Trailblazing.
Running rampant on science and tech. Straight up puppy cams.
Yeah.
2 different streams within the past week. Had puppy cam on. That's right. You're no longer original, bitch.
It's fine because she's a female dog.
No, it's fine because she's a dog.
Yeah, look at you begging. Look at those little puppy eyes. Look at those little puppy eyes.
Shill, an accomplice of a hawker, gambler, swindler who acts as an enthusiastic customer to entice or encourage others.
Seems right. D for dope. Dota, are you in D tier?
So he's the guy like in the crowd that's like, "I won't shut up and take my money," sort of thing. Right?
I guess.
How is that tofu?
She's shilling for you to give her food.
What?
She's like, you're eating food, so I can eat food, and then gets it for fucking free. Alright, Tofu. Someone says they want to see the puppy. Come here.
You're gonna get fur in my food?
No, I'll make sure to keep her away. Come here, puppy. There's the pupperoo. There's the pupperoo that's attentively eyeing the food. She doesn't give a fuck about anything else. She's like, food? Food? Right, Tofu? Right, Tofu?
Dude, we're not gonna be able to go on this hike.
Yeah, we will. We're just not gonna eat the rest.
It's like very uphill. It's like in a rock climbing area.
It's fine. It'll be fine. It will be fine. Fixable? Wait, is it fixable or fixie pie? Can't tell.
I think it's an L.
Fixable. Let's enjoy your meal, both of you. Thank you, thank you.
How many people are watching you eat?
55.
That's a lot of people.
Yeah.
That's like my max viewers.
Yeah, I mean, there's also a puppy.
Mm.
So, I don't understand. Alright, Tofu. Time to set you down. I know, you're trying to get the food. Oh no, I got fur all over me.
Are you done already?
I mean, I could eat more, but I feel like I shouldn't.
I don't know if this is...
I mean, the full one fit in your mouth, so...
I haven't done that yet.
The answer is no. Valiant attempt, though. I guess I'll have one more of these. Chubby
bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Is that what you were saying?
Chubby bunny. Did you see the drawing I did of Cake Web?
No.
Go to Discord real quick. Go to Power Pause it. Oh, where's the mouse?
It's over there. No, it's over there.
Where? How do you track something so small?
No, it's over here. Yeah, good luck scrolling up through like the 20 million things in here.
It's one of these. Equipment level.
Well, chat can't see. Here, I'll put it up for chat.
This is a game where you draw the prompt, and then someone makes another prompt based on that, and then someone draws that prompt.
Is that him oogling Instagram?
Mm-hmm.
I see.
That's him oogling Instagram.
I see.
And he made that his profile pic. He was a big fan. He thought that was really accurate.
I see.
Mm-hmm.
Well, anyway. Is that gonna wrap us up for today?
Maybe. Yeah. Wait, people are calling us beautiful.
Aw, thank you, Fixable. We played this game last night. Neither of you attended. Well, I was asleep. Going back to code after. I think we're gonna go on a hike.
We're gonna go on a hike.
Yeah. James Wayne says, any hints on rating tests for a code format that just uses standard in and asserts outputs? So if you look at how either add trailing comma or pyupgrade work, they have one single test that does the standard in testing, and then the rest of it are just formatting files or formatting strings, because those are much easier to test than the wacky mocking that you have to do for standard in. Dating question, since we're in food and drink now. My high school girlfriend just got divorced. Do number 1, go to the bar and hang out with vodka, or 2, wait for her to call me?
Are you like still talking to high school girlfriend? Are you guys like still in each other's lives?
Yes. I mean,
is there like tension? Like,
are you vaccinated?
Do you have issues like not like, can you not hang out alone? Basically, that's the question, I guess. Is it hard for you two to hang out alone? Yeah, like how much tension is there? That's a good question.
Oh, James Wayne says, I'm not even going to do standard in for my program. Oh, so some code formatters will take the input on standard in and then print the new output on standard out. That's what pyupgrade and the others do.
A lot of tension.
Yeah, Tofu's going to go on the walk too, the other server.
Why don't you call her?
Oh, chill.
Why don't you call her?
But why do that? I don't see the purpose. I agree, but there are a lot of editors, especially Ale, which is a formatter plugin for Vim. What?
This is just a great stream idea. I give relationship advice, you give programming advice.
So Ale is a formatting framework for Vim, and the way it works is it pipes in the file contents as standard in and then splats the output from standard out. So that's the use case if you want to support plugins that work like that.
I finished my food finally.
Okay. Fuck all the editors, we'll just call it personal format. Yeah, there you go. Then you don't have to do it.
Call her.
All right, but we're gonna wrap up here. My name is Anthony, and if you want to check out, and your name is Juicebox0.
Hi. Wait, does Tofu need to say hi too?
Yeah, Tofu can say hi. And you can check out my previous content on YouTube. That's youtube.com/AnthonyWrightsCode for previous streams, as well as educational videos that get uploaded somewhat daily. There is a Tofu Instagram.
Yeah.
The Tofurgy?
Mm-hmm.
_Tofurgy. And I normally stream on Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. And I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I basically say, I'm going to stream in such amount of time, and then we work on the things. And we actually did both of these things today, which is pretty cool. Look at you cleaning Juice's hands.
It's gross.
Yeah. Zithria Sono, yeah, got here right at the end. But thank you for stopping by. But anyway, thank you all for stopping by. Oh yeah, join the Discord, follow on Twitter, subscribe on YouTube, follow on Twitch, subscribe on Twitch, etc., etc. But thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.